Hi Libra, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a mid-month reading for December. How we'll go about with the video is we'll check what are the energies that we have for you for the remaining part of December. So let's quickly begin and see what the cards have in store for you. The first card that I see for you is Queen of Swords, Five of Wands and Three of Wands. Now with Queen of Swords, that's a very strong energy. In that energy, you want to go ahead and have a very honest conversation with your person. If there is something that you are hiding, or if this other person that you are dealing with is hiding something from you, you would like to know all the facts. You would like to know what is happening, what was it. So you just want to hear facts. You don't want to beat around the bush. And in case, when this conversation happens, you find out that you have not been told something, you will rip off that person. So you are in that energy where nobody wants to mess with you when you are trying to have that conversation and get clarity. Now the second card for you is Five of Wands. Now this shows some kind of stress. Okay, this is because you are currently not having control of forces outside your own purview. So it could be that there's somebody outside your life who has control over something that you want, and unfortunately for you to be that complete picture, that person has the biggest piece of the puzzle. So the totality of your situation is not in your hands. Okay, it's with somebody else, and that may again cause you some kind of stress. The third card for you is Three of Wands. This means you'll get stuck, okay, in some situation, in a relationship. It could be anything. It could be something related to office, family, anything, okay, where you'll get stuck. You'll try to move out of that situation, but it will not happen for you immediately, and you'll have to wait for your ships to come in. Now let's quickly see why we have these three cards, and let's take clarifying cards for all three of them. So the first clarifying card for Queen of Swords is Judgment card and Wheel of Fortune. Judgment card means you'll take a judgment call on something, and that's something you will declare to the entire world. The second card is Wheel of Fortune, which means that you will wait for destiny time to change so that things work out positively in your favor. Now let's see why we have Five of Wands. So the first card is Hanged Man and the Tower energy. The Hanged Man is a situation where you are again stuck. So this entire thing shows that you'll be stuck somewhere, and with the Tower energy it means that there's some kind of a shake-up will be required. Okay, so some shake-up needs to happen, and only then you will go ahead and start from scratch again with this relationship or with this person and try to build a better future for yourself. Now the third card here is Three of Wands. So let's take clarifying cards here. The first card is Page of Cups and Two of Pentacles. Now with Page of Cups, it means that it's kind of an immature energy where you want to talk about love, but you're not looking for long-term or stability. Okay. The second card that I see here is Two of Pentacles. In certain situations, it could indicate that you were dealing with two people, so you were kind of juggling between two situations. Now with this, let's quickly go ahead and see what is the message that we have from the Moonology Oracle decks for all of you. So the message that I see here is expect powerful change, which means that there's some kind of a big change which is coming your way. You need to be positive. You need to go ahead and accept change, and that's when things will work out for you. Now that's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.